Hello everyone, welcome to Mohendra Coaching Center's channel. Today we are going to look at this cue card. Describe something important that you lost. You should say what it was, how you lost it, why was it important to you, and how you felt when you lost it. So without wasting time, let's begin. I am usually good when it comes to taking care of my things, but sometimes I do not pay attention when I am too busy or too tired. Here I would like to talk about a time when I lost something important. I attended my cousin's marriage in the month of July this year. My parents and I reached at my uncle's house about 4 days before marriage and stayed there for 10 days. I packed everything for the stay, including all clothes and accessories. During my stay there, I lost traditional Punjabi scarf called fulkari in Punjabi. It is a long piece of cloth with hand embroidery of beautiful combination of colored threads. That fulkari was actually perfect for any occasion. I got lot of compliments every time when I used to wear it, as it is very hard to find such traditional and elegant Punjabi clothing these days. Moreover, my mother gifted me this piece of cloth as I always wanted to have it, so it was very close to my heart. When I lost it, it was very disappointing for me. I searched it everywhere, but I did not find it. There were so many people at the wedding, I could not even ask everyone about my fulkari as it would not seem appropriate, as everyone has different attitude and approach towards things. Some people might have taken it personally, so I did not want to point finger towards people. It was very unfortunate that I had to return home without fulkari. I just cannot explain that feeling when I lost my favorite piece of clothing. This experience has made me more careful of my belongings and now I try to keep my things as securely as possible. So that's it for this session. If you like this video, then please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.